There is a place 46 billion light years away in every direction where the universe ends. Not where space ends, not where matter runs out, but where the boundary of everything we can ever see or know draws a hard line across the cosmos. And if you somehow found yourself there, at the very edge of the observable universe, the experience would be one of the strangest and most disorienting things physics can describe. But here is the first thing you need to understand. The edge of the universe is not a wall. It is not a cliff you could fall off. It is not even a place in the traditional sense. It is a horizon. The same way the horizon on Earth isn't a physical thing, but a limit defined by your position and your ability to see. The edge of the observable universe is the furthest point from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. Beyond that line, light exists, space exists, and almost certainly matter exists, but it has not had enough time to reach us yet. And because space itself is expanding faster than light can cross it, it never will. So what happens to you as you travel toward it? For most of the journey, nothing feels different at all. Space looks the same in every direction, galaxies thin out very gradually, and the darkness deepens slowly. There is no signpost, no visible change in the fabric of space. But as you approach the outermost regions, something extraordinary begins to happen to the light around you. The further you travel from Earth, the more the light from distant galaxies has been stretched by the expansion of space. Physicists call this redshift, and at the edge of the observable universe, the light that originated as visible radiation in the early universe has been stretched so dramatically that it has shifted entirely out of the visible spectrum, into microwave frequencies, into the cosmic microwave background radiation that fills all of space in every direction. At 44 billion light years out, that radiation becomes so intense it would glow red, visible to a human eye. You would see the afterglow of the Big Bang itself surrounding you, a faint red sky in every direction, the oldest light in the universe becoming visible not as a distant point, but as the walls of the room you were standing in. And here is where it gets deeply strange. If you turned around and looked back toward Earth, Earth would be gone. Not destroyed, just invisible. Because from that distance, the light leaving Earth right now will never reach you. Space is expanding too fast. You are already beyond the point where any signal, any message, any photon fired in your direction from our planet could ever catch up. You are not just far from home. You are permanently, irreversibly unreachable. The universe has placed you on the other side of a one-way door. But the most disturbing part is not the isolation. It is what you would see when you looked outward, past the edge, into what lies beyond the observable universe. And the answer is that you would see nothing different. Because from your new position, 46 billion light years from Earth, you are now at the center of your own observable universe. A new bubble of space, 46 billion light years in every direction, would open up around you. Regions of the cosmos that Earth can never see, filled with galaxies and structure that have never been and can never be observed from our planet. The edge of the universe is not a fixed location. It moves with you. It is always defined by where you stand. Which raises the question that cosmologists find most unsettling of all. What lies beyond the furthest bubble? If you kept moving, kept expanding your horizon, would you eventually find an edge that didn't move? A place where space genuinely stopped? The honest answer is that we don't know. What lies beyond the observable universe remains one of the greatest open questions in all of science, a boundary that our instruments cannot cross and our equations cannot fully describe. The universe has an edge to what we can see and know, and beyond that edge, the full picture belongs to something far greater than human understanding can reach. Either way, the edge of the universe is not a place you reach. It is a limit that travels with you, defined by time rather than space, drawn by the speed of light and the age of the cosmos rather than by any physical barrier. You can never arrive there because the moment you move toward it, it moves with you, always the same distance ahead, always just out of reach, always hiding what came before the beginning. Subscribe, because next time we are covering what happened in the first second after the Big Bang, the moment that set every single one of these boundaries in place.